Hello and welcome to a Gradu8 video. Today we're going to be having a look at our basic 4 operations, so that's addition, subtraction, multiply and divide, and as you can see we've included some negative numbers. How this video is going to work is I'm going to ask you in a second to pause the video, to copy down the questions that are already up there, and then to have a go at them yourself. After that, unpause the video and I'll go through the solutions and I'll go through the methods on how to answer these, and you can check your answers. Everything you do here will be supporting your lessons at the moment as well. So pause the video, have a go at the questions now. Okay, if you've unpaused this now, it means you're ready to have a go at going through some of these solutions. So I'm going to start up in this top corner up here and assume that you've started on this question. Nice and easy then, 43 add 89. Okay, so I'm going to lay this out in a column method and I'm going to do 43 add 89. So I've got 3 here, add my 9, 3 add 9 is 12, I'm going to carry the 2 and put the 1 underneath there, 4 add 8 is 12, add this 1 is 13, so 3 here and carry the 1 gives me an answer of 132. Okay, really simple. If I go to this question now next, you can see it's a little bit more difficult because I've got these 2 negatives in the middle here. So if I've got 58, take away negative 29, well, think about it like temperature in the room. If I'm taking away negative, if I'm taking away cold air, the temperature in that room is actually going to go up. So taking away a negative is the same as adding. So again, I've got 58, add this time 29, 8 add 9, that's nice and easy, 17, so it was a 7 there. Carry the 1, I'll make that look more like a 7. Okay, you can see that there. You carry this 1, 5 add 2 add 1 is 8. Okay, so you've got 87. Really simple. Moving on to the next one, if we're checking this one, it's a subtract question, so I'm going to lay this out in a column again. It's 227, take away 146. Okay, 7 take away 6 is 1. 2 take away 4 I can't do, so I'm going to borrow 1 from here, which turns that into a 12, and this now goes down to a 1. 12 take away 4 is 8, and 1 take away 1 is 0. So your answer there is 81. Now you could check that by adding that back onto the 146 and seeing if you make 227. I'm now going to move over to this times question over here, and I've got 42 times 23. Now, for ease on this one, I'm going to break it down into a grid. So we're going to do 42 times 23. Okay, and you can see my grid method as follows. Okay, look how I split my tens and my units up to help me answer this question. I'm going to start with the easy one down here. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 20 is going to be 40. 3 times 40 is 120. Now 40 times 20, well, if I do 4 times 2 is 8, I've got a 0 here and a 0 here, which means 1, 2 zeros in there. The last thing I'm going to do then, I'm going to take 800, which is here, 120, 40, and 6, and I'm going to add all of those up now. So all the zeros, 6, 2 and 4 is 6, 8 and 1 is 9. Gives me a final answer of 966. Okay, my next question then, I'm going to go across the grid now to this 9 times negative 13. So this effectively is a positive number times a negative. Okay, so a positive times by a negative is going to give you a negative answer. Okay, so if I do 9 times 13, okay, hopefully you might know that one already, is 117. Is it positive or negative? Well, I've got a positive and a negative. They are different signs, so different means negative. I'm now going to move down here, and I'm doing a divide question now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my bus stop. So I've got 459 divided by 3. How many 3's go into 4? There's 1. How many left over? Would be 1. 3's into 15 go 5, and 3's into 9 go 3. Okay, just double look at that one again. Okay, each time going through and having a look. Next one I'm going to do now, 733, add negative 329. If I'm in a room and I'm adding in negative, I'm adding in cold air. Is the room going to get hotter or colder? It's going to get colder. So this is effectively a takeaway question. I'm going to do 7, 3, 3, take away 3, 2, 9. Okay, 3 take away 9 I can't do, so I'm going to turn that into a 2 and carry a 1 across. 13 take away 9 is going to be 4, 2 take away 2 is 0, and 7 take away 3 is 4. So answer of 404. The next question now, 186 divided by negative 6. Just like your rule for multiplying, I want you to think about, are those signs the same or are they different? Before we do that though, let's just do the divide, because if you just do the divide, you're going to pick up 1 mark. So I've got 186 divided by, and let's just call this 6 for a minute. How many 6s into 1? They don't go. So you carry 1. How many 6s into 18? There are 3. And how many 6s go into 6? There's 1. So I've got 31. Remember, this is positive here. You've got a positive and a negative. So the signs are different, which means the answer is going to be negative. Okay guys, this Gradu8 series is all about improving your basic skills and making sure you are GCSE ready. So go back through these. If you've made any mistakes, I want you to go and speak to your teacher straight away and explain which one you're struggling with. Thanks for watching, and check out the other videos in our series.